Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to set up your eBay account. So firstly, of course, we need to download the eBay application, and to do that I will use my App Store, and you need to search for eBay and tap download button. Okay, so once installed, tap open to open the application. Okay, so you need to tap sign in button if you already have an account, but if you don't have account, you need to create it. So I don't have any account, so I click create account, and here I can choose whether I want to create my account using my email, or to sign up or to create my account I can use Apple, Facebook or Google to make the process quicker. So for example, I want to continue with email, and here you need to enter your personal info, so your email, first name and last name. Okay, so my email number, my email address, not number. Okay, so your name and your last name, and then click continue button. Then you need to set up your password. Okay, let me pick up my phone so that you don't see my password. Okay, so when you created your password, click create account button. Here eBay asks me if you would like to receive any notifications, so you can click don't allow notifications or allow. Also, eBay offers you to simplify your sign-in. You can just sign in with your face, fingerprint or PIN instead of manually entering data each time. But it's optional thing, so I can click skip for now button, and now you see that we have set up our account. So that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave your thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. See you later. Bye bye.